Hello, Miss Ohio, what is my grade? You got an F, I am ashamed, but F is for fantastic, isn't that right? F is for failure, your brain is not bright. Mamma mia, Jesus diarrhea, I need to run home, mommy is gonna kill you. I am sorry, Mama Gemma, I got some bad news. What is it, Karen G. at Smith? Did you lose your 5 IQ? No, Mama Gemma, I got an F grade. I won't be mad if you tell me why you failed. I watched Coco Melon a bit too much. I didn't got to extra practice during lunch. That's okay, darling, as long as you learn from mistake. Do you learn from the errors that you make? Of course I do. Every day I learn a lot from you. Wait a minute.
Mom just roasted my fatty jatty like it's KFC. Subscribe and like